What's up? Welcome back, people, to another Nick Dog video. We out here after several weeks. I don't even know. Like always, let's get after it. Hope y'all had a nice 4th of July yesterday. Happy birthday to America. Let's get it. Oh yeah, feeling good today, boys. Feeling good. Let's go. Oh yeah, Mike's feeling good too. So far. Literally first ride out. No warm up, right into the grind. Today's mission, put some miles in. Put some miles in. And, you know, get a workout, dude. That's it. I had to work yesterday. Got out at 11:30 p.m. Missed the 4th of July action, but hey, it's all good. That's what it is. Life, man. We got double time yesterday anyway. Yeah, we was up to like 50, I think it was like 55 an hour. So I ain't tripping. We're gonna celebrate 4th of July today. We out here gripping and ripping. Let's get it. Alright, now. Dry and dusty out at Carnegie, but hey. Basically my backyard. 25-minute ride. 25-minute drive. Let's go. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Ain't that many people out today either. Everybody's hungover. Woo! So on a Saturday, we got pretty much parked to ourselves. I seen about a few people by the store. The gate at the... Oh! I got you. Sorry. That's all good, dude. It happens, man.
The gate at the far end is still closed. Keep your heads up.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you're talking about up this, up that, it's closed?
yeah, once you go up and you go down the forks, like Red Tail, I think it is.
Yeah.
The far end, the gate's still locked up. Just a heads up.
Alright, man. Thanks, man.
Huh?
You have a good one.
Yeah.
Girl never disappoints. She's right out of the garage. She's a ripper.
drive. Whoa! Woo! Sliding into that turn. Hell yeah, dude. Woo! I thought dude was calling out the numbers. I thought he had like 5 heads behind him and shit, but he was just waving me down. Yeah, buddy. We got Redbud today, motocross action. Let's go, dude. Few cold ones. Few cold ones, you know what I mean? And a little bit of motocross action. Hey, ain't nothing better, dog. Got them bills paid, mortgage paid, everything paid, man. Money in the bank. Let's freaking go. If I were to give any advice to any of y'all, I just started a new job. I got 10 months in, about to hit a year. Just hang in there, shit will get better, dude. In the beginning, it was tough. Union job, you know what I mean? Contracted, 10 hours mandatory, overtime. When they tell you, but once you get that 10, you can say, not today, buddy. It was hard, dude. 12-hour shifts. But we're in the freaking, we're out of the thick of it, to be honest. We got a good position, good start time. Saturday, Sunday's off now. Making good money. Oh, that's what he meant. That's what he meant about the gates closed. Come on, man, we'll go over here. And that's not it. Go first gear. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Chug a chug chug. Down. Hey, front brake came to play today. She's there. If y'all know that the YZs, them damn front brakes, they be fading. Forget the upgrade front brake. I think it's from a Honda or something like that. Eco Master Cylinder and brake line, I believe. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. Upgraded front brake for the YZ. I believe it's off a Honda or something. Little Willie at the end, dude. Freaking Graham Jarvis in it right there. Show! Let's go. See, for y'all that don't know, it's the brake line. Comes down, wraps around the fork, and then into the caliper. Supposedly that causes a fade. You need that one that goes through here into there. Anyways, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe. We back for today at least. We get some videos put out and trying to get back on the grind, man. Things are looking good. Time off. And we always trying to ride. You know how it is. Peace.